Science Wonder Garden Party is one of the best things that we've done this year.
The Garden Party is a fantastic event and an opportunity to get the local community into a site which has, for the most part, the last 25 years been kind of closed to the public.
And it's in direct response to the community who said, we know you want to develop more science space, we know you want to develop more research space, but we don't always know what happens in your existing science park and your existing spaces. So we said, okay, well, let's have an event, invite the community in.
So a chance to come in to really get an understanding of what happens here and what happens in the wider university in terms of groundbreaking research.
Let's showcase what is done here. Let's have some broader science engagement events for all ages and really start to tell the science story and the Begbroke story at a kind of local level.
The children have absolutely loved it today. You just needed to walk around any stall. The children are engaged in activities. It's been really, really lovely to see. Science can sometimes be quite a secretive activity, so I think opening it up and building trust in the community so people understand what goes on, and also to get people enthused about science as well, especially children.
It's really critical that people understand that science is a give and take process, that people can understand that problems and ideas they have in their daily lives are exactly what science is meant to solve.
And coming down to an event like this and kind of talking to hundreds of people, showing them the robots, answering all their questions is a really kind of important way of getting the research out of the lab and kind of engaging with people to show them how it's going to fit into their lives, and so that they're happy about it and they understand how it works.
Having access to something like this on your doorstep, it's kind of like a way to reach into a wonderland and really have the answers at your fingertips. And it's really important for places like Begbroke to open their doors so that people understand that's for them too.
What we've seen from today is that people want to come here and they want to find out what's going on, and I think this has been a great way to get different departments, different community groups, innovative community groups and researchers and people who are working on ideas that are going to change the world all together in one place and open everything up.